So guys, YouTube sent me a package worth over 50 USD worth of items, and I went today to go and pick it up. But actually this video is not for this. This video is for my thrifted clothes that I bought online. I'm so disappointed at myself and at the vendor that sold these things for me. These are so not it. God, I need to do this video to remind myself not to buy a second-hand item, second-hand clothes, second-hand house appliances, and second-hand whatever, and to avoid children. I nearly broke my phone. So I got clothes from a vendor. These clothes were so fine in the pictures that the vendor posted, and I paid. They are actually thrifted. We call it around here thrifted clothes, and around wherever you are, it should be a second-hand clothes, right? I really love the material and everything, and seeing the clothes right now, I've not worn them all, but hi God, they are actually not giving. Like, they are not giving at all. They are not what I expected. This one is actually good. Like, it is okay, right? I have a problem with this one, this particular one. It is so worn out, so old, so worn out. I don't even know. But if you see the picture that was posted, it was so clean. Like, the jean material was so fine. All these things I am seeing here right now are not there. This looks like rag. I am so disappointed. So disappointed. Money I would have used to lick ice cream. I'm just doing this video to always remind myself not to buy second-hand clothes. Not to buy second-hand clothes. You see them? I'll still try my best to try them on. Sorry, Mama. The last one. This is the last one. This is so, hi God, so old. I'm so disappointed. Very disappointed. The clothes are so old, and I spent money to buy, and I paid for the courier that brought it to my location. You want to say something? Meanwhile, whatever that is happening in this video right now is the reason I haven't been posting content lately. Okay, my kids are on summer break, and it is a long school break that usually takes 1 month and 2 weeks. Like, they will stay at home for 1 month and 2 weeks, and you can see how chaotic it is. I can't even deal. It is too much for me. It is too stressful for me. This video, I am not going to be editing anything. I'm going to be posting it like that, and I'll go over to edit my vlog and unbox this YouTube package and just edit and post it. Thank you for watching and see you on my next one. Bye.